Yeah. And we'll just try and fit it that way. I don't know why it won't fit, Mars. And I've just stuck the other screw out somewhere. I'll find it in a minute.
Is it a screw?
Yeah.
Actually, is it? I think it's actually a nut. No, a bolt. There's a difference.
Is there a difference?
Yeah.
See, to me, if a screwdriver, this is lesson number 1 from Janine. If it's a screwdriver and it fits into, then that must be a screw.
So it's a screw. Yeah.
Screwdriver.
Okay, we'll remember it that way.
This is fun, man. Why did I ever even play with Barbie dolls?
Exactly. We're going to turn into grease monkeys overnight. Woohoo! All done?
All done!
Oh, hallelujah.
Absolutely. Oh, that's fabulous.
Beautiful, brand new ignition.
Exactamente. Look at that. A thing of beauty.